Food safety compliance doesn't need to mean piles of paperwork. FoodSafety.app gives kitchens a faster, cleaner, and more professional way to manage food safety records digitally, helping teams stay organized, compliant, and in control every day. Every food business is expected to follow food safety procedures and maintain accurate records. Daily checks, monitoring, and documented controls all help keep standards consistent and protect the business. Paper systems create gaps. Sheets go missing, records get rushed, and problems are often discovered too late. Busy kitchens need a system that keeps records organized, accessible, and easy to review during service. Digital food safety brings a more modern approach into the professional kitchen. Checks can be completed quickly from a phone or tablet, records stay organized automatically, and managers gain instant visibility without chasing paperwork. Compared to paper systems, digital recording reduces admin time while improving visibility and accountability. Corrective actions are easier to track, records are easier to review, and teams gain a clearer picture of daily compliance. Core food safety controls are managed in one place, including cooking, cooling, cold storage, hot holding and reheating temperature records, opening and closing checks, delivery logging, probe calibration, cleaning schedules, defect reporting, pest control records, corrective actions, allergen management, training records, and HACCP support tools. Equipment, safe limits, and checklists can all be customized to match the way each kitchen operates. Strong food safety records need more than a simple tick box. Accurate records should clearly show what was checked, who completed it, when it happened, the result recorded, and what action was taken if limits were exceeded. When unsafe results are identified, corrective actions can be recorded immediately. Problems are dealt with quickly, documented properly, and far less likely to be missed during busy periods of service. Built for busy kitchens, the system keeps checks fast and simple without disrupting workflow. Tasks can be completed where the work happens, helping food safety become part of the routine rather than extra admin. Good digital systems should simplify food safety, not complicate it. Clear workflows, simple layouts, and guided actions help teams complete records consistently and correctly throughout the day. Getting started is straightforward. Businesses can begin with one area, train teams quickly, and gradually move away from paper systems without disrupting operations. Most teams notice the time savings almost immediately. Consistent compliance comes from accurate records, clear actions, and regular visibility. Better oversight helps managers identify issues earlier, monitor standards more effectively, and maintain stronger operational control. Designed specifically for professional kitchens, the system keeps records organized, supports staff with simple workflows, and reduces the effort involved in managing daily food safety requirements. Modern kitchens need modern systems. FoodSafety.app helps reduce admin, improve consistency, and create a more professional approach to food safety management. Start your 14-day free trial today and see how naturally it fits into your business and how quickly your team adapts to a faster, simpler way of managing food safety. It even works fully offline, making it ideal for event caterers, mobile catering teams, and kitchens that can't always rely on internet connectivity. No accounts, no dashboards, no complicated setup. Simply download it now and get started in minutes.